Thinking about investing your first $1,000 but not sure where to start in 2026? You're not alone. Today, I'm going to show you a beginner-friendly roadmap to grow your money smartly with minimal risk. Before you invest, ask yourself, what's the goal? Are you saving for short-term needs, like a vacation or emergency fund? Or is this for long-term growth, like retirement? Knowing your goal will guide your choices and risk level. Never invest money you can't afford to lose. Make sure you have an emergency fund, ideally 3 to 6 months of living expenses, before putting cash into investments. This protects you from needing to sell investments during market dips. For beginners, 2 types of accounts are key. Tax-advantaged accounts like IRAs or Roth IRAs for retirement. Taxable brokerage accounts for more flexible investing. Opening an account is easy, and many platforms let you start with just $100. With $1,000, you want to spread your money across multiple investments to reduce risk. Here are beginner-friendly options: low-cost index funds or ETFs. These track the stock market and give you exposure to hundreds of companies at once. Historically, the S&P 500 returns about 7 to 10% per year after inflation. Fractional shares. Many brokers now let you buy a fraction of a stock, so you can invest in expensive companies without needing thousands of dollars. High-yield savings or CDs. For ultra-low risk, parking some money here ensures it grows slowly without risk of loss. Pay attention to fees. Even small annual fees can eat into your returns over time. Look for low-cost ETFs and brokerage accounts with no commissions. Set up automatic contributions, even if it's just $50 a month. Compounding works best when your money grows consistently over time. Don't try to time the market. Consistency beats short-term guessing every time. Investing is a journey. Read, watch, and learn about new opportunities, but avoid chasing hype. Adjust your strategy as your goals and risk tolerance evolve. Starting with $1,000 in 2026 might feel small, but it's enough to build strong habits and grow wealth over time. Pick a platform, diversify, automate, and let compounding do its work. If you found this guide helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more simple, practical finance tips every week. And always remember, this is for educational purposes and not financial advice.